This is our Corona. Ayan. Thank you so much, Sans. Our Corona door chain with a bolt. So I don't know, guys, if you have experienced using this at home, but then, you know, ito yung we would then attach this. And this allows us then to take a peek at who it is that has knocked on the door or has rang the doorbell. So parang a lot of times what happens, diba, kung wala tayo nito, instant bukas na ng pinto.
Tama.
Right? And parang we're exposed to whoever it is that is there. But if you apply this and then kunyari nakakabit ito, ayan, parang you can then just open the door and then you can just take a
Peephole.
peek. Yeah, exactly. It's a peephole which then will allow you to open your door ng very, very slight para makita ninyo kung sino yung nandun. And of course, kapag okay na, then you can, you know, open it up and allow the person to come in. Let's say, of course, if it's a delivery from Lazada,
yan, tama.
gusto nyo talaga makuha yan. So, bubuksan nyo talaga, di ba? You will then open it up and allow the person to come in. So guys, for this is really something you can consider for your security and your safety. And I think also the discipline of just being able to open up your door a certain level. Kasi kung bukas na bukas, we're really exposing ourselves to this other person.
Right.
Especially nowadays, we want to limit the contact. So ito talaga, para will discipline nyo na, okay, hanggang dito na lang muna. And if it's a small package from Lazada, na lumusot, di ba?
Kunin mo na lang ganun, tapos sarado mo yung door.
Opening, di ba?
Oo.
So it allows for a small space for ventilation or viewing, allowing the best protection for your loved ones at home. It provides added security.
Double lock kasi siya, Leslie.
Oo,
Diba?
yan.
Gusto lang ang top also na you pull.
Yes.
Ayan, na-open ang
Yes.
lock mo ulit.
Oo,
Dalawa.
yan.
One piece to lock the door.
Exactly. So you have talaga that additional security.